Ready for a hands-on career as an auto technician? At Universal Technical Institute, learn with industry tools and tech in labs designed for real-world training. Prep to test for ASE certification, so you're ready to hit the ground running in the automotive industry. Apply today. Hands-on training for real careers. Visit uti.edu.
Setups live with you guys. You know, if everybody can, go ahead and drop their cities in the chat. I see Sybil is on the call. We cannot hear you because the music is too loud. I got you. Let me fix my mic. How about now? First things first, one of the first things I do look at is the Forex Factory. No. I'll turn it down a little bit. That should be good. How about now? Am I good? How about now? Pretty sure that would be good. Yes, because I just turned on my mic. Sorry about the camera. I'll put on my camera
for a second just to show you guys, like, I just got out of bed, shirt off. Gains, as you guys can see, gains are coming in. But I got my mic on today and I'm just looking at the charts. I got 3 screens, so that's why it takes me some time to really set up. I got one screen right here, one screen right here, one screen right here, and this screen is actually not working today, the one on the right, so
I'm gonna have to do this with 2 screens today. But when it comes down to it, I always look at the Forex Factory before I even get into anything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the actual news A lot of people don't know, but I am a pretty big news trader. I do enjoy trading the news, and a lot of people don't know, but it's like you can actually make the most money on news. A lot of people don't know that. The news is the actual money maker in the markets. So just keep that in mind. I do actually do that every single time. But I'll tell you guys honestly, I always keep a desktop or a laptop on me. I don't like trading solely on mobile. You want to know why? Because MetaTrader 5 is addicting, and you'll be stuck on your phone all day, right? Even with ActTrader on Magno and Henko, like just being on your phone and checking them is pretty addicting. That's why I'm not getting into any trades right now, because I know if I get into a trade, then I will be watching it all day. If I was looking at something, it would probably be this Euro USD trade. And if you are trading MetaTrader 5, like, you know, you can do it on the desktop too. Keep a laptop with you. Calling me out. No, it's fine. It's fine. I've been through the same thing. I've been through the same exact thing. Where it's like I'm looking for an actual thing. Yo, truth be told, somebody just asked what broker am I using for MT5. I actually have a really smooth MT5 broker. I'm gonna put the link in the actual comment section. It's called AAA. AAA is way smoother than a lot of the other brokers that you've probably been on, so definitely check it out. AAA has been around for 16 years. Damn, look at USD CAD go. I almost got into this trade down over here last night, and I would have been up. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna withdraw a little bit from this Henko account and put it into AAA and trade live with you guys next. That's the goal. The goal is not to, you know, as you guys can see, I've been managing my money in the most proper ways, right? Like I take 1 or 2 trades and then I'm chilling off. But let's go back to here. I mean, we have odd news on 9:30 today, but it looks like it already passed. Today is Tuesday, yep. On Wednesday, we do have FOMC statement, FOMC press conference. So it's actually good that I actually ended up taking all of my trades earlier on in the week, because hey, there's going to be a lot of volatility coming into the market when it comes down to Wednesday. On Wednesday at 2 p.m., there's going to be a lot of volatility that comes in. So are they going to pick a direction or just keep pushing? I see Aura said, I sold US 30 this morning and took my profits. Let's go. Let's go. Good stuff. Not fine, but I'm on ActTrader, so once I get my trading view better set up though. Yes. And I'll tell you what, you can also trade on the web trader on Magno as well. You could go to trade.magno. I forget what's the exact website, but it's trade.magnofx.com, I believe. Yeah, here it is. And if I'm gonna be honest, I gotta pull up my login and stuff. I would rather trade on here. Now, here's my trick. I'm staring off a little bit. Here's my trick. Is I like to enter on desktop, but really only like monitor / close on mobile. If you're on mobile, your only thing you should be focusing on is monitoring and partially closing your positions. You should not be entering positions on mobile, because you want to know why? I bet you guys have probably already gotten into it when you guys are trading on ActTrader. Like, when you're entering on mobile, it's actually so easy to enter and it's so smooth that it might make you want to enter more trades on purpose, and it might fuck you up. Like, excuse my language, it might mess you up. It might screw you up. Like, just by entering on the phone. That was me, right? I had an amazing week last week, and then I actually ended up taking in some trades on the mobile, and then I took some losses. Now I took one good position, and I'm trying to stay back and not trade for the rest of the week. But I'll be honest, with things like Euro USD lining up, I almost feel like taking a small position here. This is a 1 hour engulfing candle right here. So if you guys are actually like confirmed with this bias, I mean, feel free to take it. By all means, it's a 20 pip stop loss, 776. Since it is 10:30, what I will do is I'll take it with a small risk. I should have took it a lot earlier, maybe around like right here at 971. I'm about 3 or 4 pips off, but I'm in the Euro USD position here. I see my guy Trainer Will just said took gold buys. Let's take a look at gold. DXY bearish. I agree with that. Gold buys look bad. Don't look bad. I mean, that 4, 5, 6, 8. Nice. Sybil, if you still like gold, I mean, I would take it with Will there. I mean, I kind of took Euro USD, so I'm going to be focused on that. It's actually already in profit. I know I should have took it earlier, but I'm just playing the risk to reward here. I want to see if I can hold out a nice swing trade for a very long time. Back to the Forex Factory. On Thursday. Oh. Get back to here. On Thursday, we have the US dollar news at 8:30 a.m. An actual coming out good for currency. That would, if it comes out less than previous, it would mean bad for the dollar. So as Will said, we kind of have some break-even news here. One coming out lower, one coming out higher. I would watch out for that. I would just know that there's going to be volatility on Wednesday and Thursday. That's just something to keep in mind. Gold. and your USD kind of playing around a little bit. Yeah, it's kind of playing around a little bit. I would just keep in mind, guys, like, you know, there is Wednesday and Thursday, so we got 35 minutes that I'm gonna be on here, and I'm gonna just watch at the charts with you guys. Took a sell. Nice. Wow, the sells are panning out. USD CAD is starting to make a move towards the upside here. TP hit finally. Looks lots of ups and down. I'm looking for buy at 45630. 4560. Nice. I'm glad you took a win. Take your profits. Take your profits for sure, because that is a nice W in the bag. 4560. Let's mark that on the chart. I mean, that's about coming up time like now. If you're looking for these buys, make sure to secure some of your positions on the sells. Don't leave any profit unturned. We're facing a little bit of drawdown here. Nothing that we can't handle. What's my top 3 pairs? It's got to be USD CAD, odd USD, and Euro USD for sure. I don't know what made me take Euro USD today. Maybe I just took an L. That's fine. Not every day is a winning day. I might close this position out here soon if it doesn't actually play in my direction. Let's just wait it out a little bit. We're finally starting to get a little bit of a bullish move. Let's preserve it. Tough. It's playing around with us here. Remember I said it's secure your profits. Stop loss 4570 below liquidity swept zone. Yeah, I mean, since I'm in the EU buy, I kind of would like gold to go up. I kind of would like EU to go up. caught a horrible entry here, but I'm gonna ride it out. Gold is looking like it might not pan out. Let's give it 15 minutes. We only got about 15 minutes left before the market actually closes, and then from there I'll probably like hop off the stream because I don't want to be on here for too long. I feel like when I hop on for too long, I start over trading. Again, I even said that I wasn't even going to take a position here today on the stream, so I already broke one of the rules just by getting into Euro USD. But again, that's just a part of the game. As far as gold goes, I don't think it's ready, man. I mean, I hope it's ready because we're already in trades for some of you guys, but let's be honest, it might not be ready. Might not be ready. We only got about 15 minutes or so just to see if it actually is ready, so just keep that in mind. USD CAD just went. That's a good sign that we should probably kind of get out of these trades. Gold is probably going to continue down just by seeing USD CAD do that. Closed all my sells in profit, not going to force to buy. Good for you. I kind of forced to buy here today. I'm actually going to close out because I don't even want to be in it. Oh no. Tell me how as soon as I closed out. Let's just see what happened there. As soon as I closed out, we finally made it move up. I folded for sure. I'm not gonna re-enter though. I'm gonna probably be like over trading if I start entering more positions. You know what I'm actually gonna do for you guys on this call? I'm probably gonna hit a withdrawal, man. You know, when it comes down to it, here's a good rule of thumb. Here's a good rule of thumb. Anytime you get your of what is it, like $1,000 or $2,000, then you should withdraw everything past all your profits past there. I mean, I was up $2,500 at the beginning of this call, and now I just lost $500. So I'm actually done. Like, I'm not touching the market today. I'm good. what I'm gonna do is probably log on and hit a withdrawal. It's not real until you withdraw. Your USD still looks good, man. But again, it's just one of those things where we would be staring at the chart all day to try to catch Euro USD and gold and stuff. So here's the goal. I mean,
300 or 100 to 300. Aim for your first $1,000. Try to get your account balance to $1,000. Once you get your account balance to $1,000, then all you need is that one session, that one trade. That trade, maybe it would be on odd USD or USD CAD or Euro USD, not gold. Gold is more like a home run pair. Don't be trying to go for gold right away. As you can see, I mean, my wins this week were on odd USD, and then it's now starting to go back in that opposite direction. So what do you think I'm gonna do? I'm gonna exit the trades, and I'm gonna stop taking trades in that direction. And I'm gonna actually, what I'll do is,
like that $2,000 mark, maybe even $1,500. Anything above 1,000/1,500 withdraw daily. Seriously, like, now let's say you get to 1,000, still withdraw daily. Like, that is one of my keys. Let's say you hit on a good trade and you're at $1,000 in your account and you grow to $1,500, withdraw that $500. Because when it comes down to it, you never know what's really going to happen in the market. You never really know how the next day is going to go. You never really know those type of things. So it's always good to withdraw. Like, I like to withdraw almost every day. I don't know, maybe that's just a me thing. Look at USD CAD go. We could have been in on this trade, man, last night. What a bummer. Not every day is a trade day, too. As you can see, this Euro USD is playing around with everybody. Same with gold. I mean, the DXY is a little bit bullish today, so that's why USD CAD is going to go up, USD is going to go down, your USD is going to go down for a little bit. It's going to have that. Since it's 11 o'clock, I mean, there's not much trades else. I saw Aura said she got the US 30 sells. That was actually really fire. I kind of wish I got into that. When it comes down to it, it did have a small reaction where it did retest and then give a 5-minute engulfing candle right over here. So that was an amazing entry on the sell on US 30. Fire. Oh. What's going on with EU? gonna slowly watch it. Lot sizes depend on the asset plus distance to entry / stop loss. It looks like it's starting to go. I'm gonna take a small entry, man. Nah, I would suggest your lot size is based on your stop loss. Yeah, no, I'm not taking that. I am done. I'm catching a little bit of FOMO, so that's why I'm gonna go ahead and hit that withdrawal. Damn. Let's watch it. Yep, it's gonna go. Damn. Well, not 100%, but two more minutes. See, it's rejecting. That's what I don't like. I gotta stick to my word. Good thing we didn't take this. Took some mean losses directly after my wins, so that just goes to show not to overtrade. That's the one thing about trading, man. It's like, yo, I know this setup is gonna hit too. I just don't want to take too much trades. And it's already 11 o'clock. Damn, I just missed a really good entry. That's all right. We're still gonna hit this withdrawal here today from this account that we've been trading on for the past 2 weeks. Nah, I do actually preach those things. So, I mean, it's good that you guys are seeing this happen live in action. Setups playing out that I've actually caught profit off of, and setups that are playing out that I'm missing out on. So that's good to see. If anybody wants to send me any $100 in Bitcoin, then here's my address. You can send it right here. But nah, I'm gonna actually go ahead and withdraw a little bit here just to pay myself from AudUSD. And again, another setup will come. Go ahead and confirm the withdrawal on my email. All right. It should show up that the withdrawal was actually pending. So let's let that go. And damn, when I tell you, could have been in EU. I'm gonna have to let that one go. That's just the reality of trading. Let that one go. But with that being said, guys, as Sybil just said, I could have entered at 4560 on gold, but you're not sad about it. Another setup will come. Well, all right. Like, I'm glad I'm in the same boat. Let's just end off today knowing that we could have caught a trade, but we didn't. That's fine. There's always another day. Also, keep an eye out, like late Asian / London session. That's another session that I do like to look at. Like AudUSD happened at the late Asian session right over here, and then London session was right over here, so I kind of took profits like right over here. Now if you look towards the late Asian session, oh man, look at EURUSD go. Damn, we were in that. Now if you kind of just look towards the late Asian session, London session, you'll find trades. You'll find trades for sure. Like this was one of them. There's another one right over here. So you'll find them. Just keep an eye out. Like right over here. Late Asian session, London session. This was London session. This was late Asian session. So if that's another session that you would like to trade, study it, monitor it, get better at it. And I promise you'll do great. You'll do great things. Not every day is going to be a winning day as well. As you guys can see, I kind of just hopped on here and took some losses with you guys. I could have took some wins if I was a little bit more patient, but that's just the name of the game. Here's some books that I want you guys to start reading and listening to. I'm gonna definitely hop off of here and turn off my music and start listening to an audiobook or two. It's called Trading for a Living. This is a book that I want all of you guys to actually get into. Trading for a Living. I'm gonna drop it in the chat. And then I'm also gonna drop the other one, is Trading in the Zone. Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. These books actually helped me out a lot. Trading in the Zone really helped me out the most. And Sybil actually went ahead and ordered the book as soon as I told her to. So thank you for, really believing in me on that. And no doubt, I got you. I'm not gonna leave no stone unturned for each and every single one of you guys. I want to make sure you guys succeed this year the same way I am, and the same way there's other people in the chat box that are doing the same. Mike Lang said, I think I tried for 0.02 for a couple of trades to see how it feels. Set a dollar amount that if your account falls below that you revert back to 0.01. That is correct. That is correct, Mike Lang. Great advice. Great advice. Great advice. With that being said, I'm gonna hop off here, guys. Gold looks like it's setting up, but we're not taking it, so let's just hop off. Trying to get the hiccups here. Also, you could set a dollar size amount that if you go above, you can increase size, and if you fall back below, you reduce to previous lot size of the lot tier. Yes. Yo, if you guys had some results today, drop some in the Telegram chat as well. I'd love to see you guys a little bit more active in there. I made sure that I added each and every single one of you guys. Have a good day, folks. Tomorrow's another day. That's correct. Tomorrow is another day. Let's get it. I appreciate each and every single one of you guys for hopping on here with me today.
We had a great stream. It was amazing. We caught a couple trades. A couple trades didn't really pan out, but with that being said, I really do love hopping on stream with you guys, but I am going to run. With that being said, I appreciate you guys for staying on with me, and thank you to each and every single one of you guys that continually hop on. Great thinking. We ain't managing risk reward. That's correct, and you guys are seeing it happen live in time. So every single week, week in and week out, we're going to continue to crush these markets live with you guys. So with that being said, I'll see you guys at the top or from the top, because the bottom is way too crowded and we never look down on anybody unless we're willing to help them up. See you guys. Peace out.